here from Indulge Pure Originals. I'm back and we're here to talk about how to care for your skin after being outside in the sun. So now that we are really getting into summertime, we're spending a lot more time outside. Hopefully you're applying your sunscreen. But after we come out from a long day in the sun, you really need to moisturize and hydrate your skin. Replenish it with some moisture so that it stays nice and glowing. There are a couple of really good products, but two I want to talk to you today about are our cocoa butter cream, which is our ultimate moisture cream, and our body butter bars. So this is our Indulge Pure Originals cocoa butter cream. This cream is amazing if you like lotion, a standard lotion, and this is anything but standard. This is a mid-weight lotion that is neither heavy nor light, and so you can see here, this is about how it goes on. It goes into the skin really easily. Now I kind of packed it on here so I can show you, but it really goes into the skin really nice. And you can use this outside of the shower, so you would not apply this like you would a regular body butter bar, but it leaves your skin super hydrated. It's really soft and silky. And this cocoa butter cream is made from pure cocoa butter, shea butter, and we have some vitamin E in there as well, which helps with your skin. You can also pair this with the original cocoa butter body butter bar. Now we have this available in cocoa butter scent, coconut, citrus, and then for those of you with sensitive skin, we have an unscented deodorized cocoa butter. Now this bar you'd actually use in the shower. That's how it's designed. You may also use it while you're at the sink. You just hold it under warm running water and then you'll glide it over your skin like this. It's used after cleansing, and you rinse off your body, apply this in the shower, let it warm up, and you'll feel it start to melt and glide over your skin. Put it back on your soap lift. One that we recommend are these sweet little soap lifts. It actually helps to filter all the water through, so your bar isn't sitting in water. So these two products are our absolute favorite for after skin care or after sun skin care. So head over to indulgepureoriginals.com and pick these up. This is under cocoa butter cream heading and cocoa butter bars, cocoa butter body butter bars in another heading. So enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions. You may reach out via Facebook or Instagram, or you may email me directly at help@indulgepureoriginals.com. We'll see you soon.